Time for the impromptu challenge, and my topic is what's been in your mind most lately. So, this is something very interesting. Nowadays, from the last few months, I've started asking with myself every day when I come onto the bed, and why I don't know, but so many times I feel that whenever I the times for my getting into the bed comes near, suddenly I started remembering so many things that I have to do this, I have to do that, and I have to do so many things. And then I come to realize that I have not done so many things in the daytime when I had a lot of time and I was very free. And this happening so not any particular day. In fact, this happens each and every day. And when I wake up in the morning, mm, I wake up, sometimes I do some exercises, but because if I have to do some other work, then I skip those also. So I'm trying to make exercise daily a part of my life. And after that whole day, after getting free from my office work, I have some time I remain. Generally, if I'm in a used to work in a rotational shift, so if I'm working in a morning shift, I just get free up. I used to get up, I used to get free in the evening around 5 p.m. And after 5 p.m. I have a whole time of around up to 12 a.m. in the night. And no sooner the night is coming nearer to me, then suddenly I start memorizing so many things that I have to do after that. And why I really don't understand why I don't start doing things just after I get free from my office work. And this generally comes in my mind when I just go to the bed, that I have missed this, I have missed that, and I'm gonna do this tomorrow. And it's getting time to get sleep because tomorrow morning again I have to wake up early in the morning. So these are the things nowadays which goes in my mind. So overall, if I say that I'm not able to schedule my whole day properly, time I have a problem of time management, and this is what every day goes on my mind. So this was something which I wanted to share about myself. What's your, please write down on the comment box, and you can also give your feedback. This was Kunal signing out until I meet you once again.